Hi, everybody. Erin Troy. Good to see you all again. I cannot believe this is our last fall one semester. It's pretty exciting. Looking forward to our next field experience as well. Um, Brief history, mother of three. I live on the outskirts of Philadelphia, in the, urban suburbs. And I am a fitness instructor, although all the gyms are shut down. So technically, I am just a stay-at-home mom right now. My field experience was in an elementary school, a really diverse elementary school. I had a lot of good exposure to working with families, blended families, couples arguing. So I think my draw to marriage and family therapy was fulfilled during that. Working with children was wonderful. I probably did have some boundary issues there since I am a mom and I tend to mom many situations, and it was difficult to detach and say these were not my children, and I can do only so much for them, and it's their parents' responsibility, and I can give them the resources, but that's pretty much where my job is supposed to end. My goals, as I said, I would really like to pursue marriage and family therapy. I think I'm drawn to couples therapy, perhaps spending 2 years in it myself. Probably inspires me to, want to help others through, trials and tribulations in their marriage and their relationships. But also draw to like the family scene, teens, adolescents. Life is hard. The trauma is hard to deal with. Today's society is hard. Sometimes just helping parents understand that it's a different world for their kids than it was for us when we were younger. Some challenges, I would say, setting clear boundaries is difficult for me. I continue to work on it. Something tells me that this class will, especially since the very first week started off with boundaries, will be very helpful for me. The video was incredibly helpful with just little tidbits on, turning off something simple as turning off your notifications on your phone so that you don't hear the ping and want to run to your phone every second so that you can help someone in peril. It was a lot easier back in the day to shut off the lights and shut the door and drive home, but now sorry, that's my dog. Now it's hard because you can't turn it off. You can, but you can't. And in the mind of guilt and whatnot, it's difficult to disconnect. I do like all the suggestions of having like an automatic response so that you feel like your client has been heard and you will get to them at some point. They're not just out there dangling. And with the pandemic moving forward, I'm guessing that there's going to be a lot more incorporation of technologies and stuff. So this is the perfect time for this class, and all of these wonderful little tidbits and such. So I look forward to working with you guys in this class. Yeah. And I'm sure we're going to learn a lot before we get to our next field experience. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to working with you.